Imagine living with no house, no village, no city, and nowhere permanent to sleep. That was normal for ancient humans. Thousands of years ago, people were constantly moving, chasing animals, searching for food, and trying to stay alive. Every night was a new challenge. Rain could soak them, wind could freeze them, predators could attack them. At first, humans relied on nature. Caves became shelters, rocky cliffs provided cover, thick forests blocked the wind. But caves were hard to find, and many were already occupied by dangerous animals. Humans needed another solution, so they invented something revolutionary: their own homes. The earliest shelters were incredibly simple. People pushed long sticks into the ground, bent them together, and covered them with animal skins. For the first time, humans could carry protection with them. But survival kept getting harder. Storms destroyed weak shelters. Cold weather demanded better insulation. So humans improved their designs. They learned to weave branches together, creating stronger walls. They packed mud into gaps. They covered roofs with grass, reeds, and leaves. Their shelters became larger, warmer, and more durable. Some groups dug part of their homes underground to trap heat. Others built circular houses that could better survive strong winds. Then came fire. Suddenly homes weren't just shelters. They became living spaces. Families gathered around fireplaces. Food was cooked. Stories were shared. Children learned from elders. Homes became the center of human life. As building skills improved, people became more selective. They settled near rivers for water, near forests for wood, near hunting grounds for food. Temporary camps slowly turned into permanent settlements. Then humanity made one of its greatest discoveries: farming. Once people learned to grow crops and keep animals, everything changed. There was no longer a need to wander endlessly. Villages expanded, more homes appeared, communities formed, towns became cities. Cities became civilizations. Every modern home, apartment, skyscraper, and building on Earth traces its history back to those first ancient humans who looked at an empty landscape and decided to build a place they could finally call home.